how to roam freely. We'll be talking about anything from photography to archiving, storing, and recording artwork.
What is the importance of recording or photographing your process? And have you ever had an experience where you were glad you recorded it all?
To me, it's very, very important to record and photographing your process pre, post, and during content creation, because you have this material to promote your business, promote your brand, show it to potential clients, show it to potential employers, and just share it on social media so you can gain more supporters. Because I believe that when people can put a face to the brand and humanize the brand, they are more likely to support and get in contact with you to use your services. If you want to build a support system, you have to bring people into your world. Like, yes, they're going to support the brand, but if they can put a face to the brand, actually humanize the brand, it's better for you, because that way you'll gain more supporters, and more exposure means more coins for you and your art will grow. So I'm a big, like, you have to like do behind the scenes of your work, and if you're doing an exhibit, vlog the day of the exhibition. I actually done that, so y'all check that out. Melissa B Studios, the website, and on YouTube. If I have a shoot or an event where I'm shooting, I definitely bring somebody with me. I call them like my assistant. Sometimes it's my friends or my cousin, like or even my mom, anyone that's free and that wants to come on the shoot with me and already know their job. Just record everything, do boomerangs, just for me to have content to post on Instagram or on my website. So definitely photographing and recording your process is very important. An experience where I was glad that I recorded and photographed the event was my first photography exhibit, where I vlogged the whole day. Basically took my camera with me and just record pre-event, during the event, and after event, what happened, what I did, and everything. And also for my website launch, I went around and just took pictures of the vibe and the mood in the room. Like, from the pictures you could feel like the energy that was in the room that day. And also I've done a talk with B&H Event Space, where they were recording me live on Zoom, and I had my camera set up just to record like the behind the scenes on like how that whole process went. And recording and photographing goes for all art mediums and all creatives, such as poets, musicians, artists. You want to record your process. You want to show people how you do it and how it gets done. Like, they like to see, like, from start to finish, you know, bring them into your world and show them the magic behind the magic. I would definitely recommend for all of you artists and creatives out there to start recording and photographing your process pre, post, during, because all these behind the scenes content will help you and your brand in the future. So if you haven't, start, and if you have, continue doing it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.